Hello, this is Derek Wilson, and today I'm going to show you how to take a public data set from the Baltimore crime reports and turn that into visualizations with Power BI that let you actually see what's going on with the crime reports happening in the city of Baltimore. So let's get started. So this is the actual raw data file. It's available out on the Baltimore Police Department's website. You can download it. This one is BPD Part 1 victim-based crime data. I just imported all the records in, and you can see there's a lot of information in here. The date, the time, different codes, locations, districts, neighborhoods, latitude, longitude, what type the premise was. So that's the basic information that comes with it. And just looking at this and putting it into, say, Excel, you could definitely build some pivot tables on it and try to figure out what's going on, maybe some pivot charts, but we're going to really use Power BI to visualize this data. So the first thing I'm going to do, the first thing I need to do is set the latitude and longitude in the modeling tab to be data category of latitude, and I don't want that to summarize, so I'm going to tell it not to summarize. Longitude, same thing, longitude, again, I don't want it to summarize it when I put it out there. So it's going to convert those. And now you can see it looks like little globes. Now I want to build a map. So I'm going to drop a map control on and tell it I want the latitude, the longitude. And see here, it's still putting it in as the average. Don't really want the average. So I'm going to convert those to not be that. Add the total incidents in. Make this a little bit bigger. And you can see it is now plotting all of the incidents that it has, which is in total, if we just look at it, 286,000 incidents is what it's plotting. So very easily we can see where our incidents are. We can turn this into, put it up here for now. And then we had some other categories in there that we could look at. So you've got the crime code, the description. So I'm going to drop description out here. And then by total incidents. And here's my 285,000 incidents. I can sort them. You can see most of them are larceny. Now if I click on larceny, it's actually going to filter this down to just be the larceny. Again, here my size is my total incidents. That's my sum. Other information that I can build that over. District. So let's look at the district that we have. And then the total incidents that we have. And then the last bit is by the date. So this is the year. I'm going to make that a filter. So my crime date I can move over. You can see I've got data going back to 1963, but let's just say I want to look at 2015. 2015. So here's my last 4 years. You can see I have all of my crime information. Where have I had auto thefts? I can click on that. I'm going to redo the map. Show me locations of auto thefts. I could get more specific by holding down the control key. And let's look at northern. So now I'm filtering on the northern district and auto thefts, and you can just see exactly where those auto thefts have occurred. We can make it more granular and just look at things that occurred in 2019. And there's the 335. So very easy. I can actually drill all the way in, see if there's certain locations, addresses that have more, the size of the circle. There's been 2 incidents there, 2 incidents here. The larger the circle, the more incidents there's been. So, very easy way to look at the data that you have visually to understand what's going on. So, there's a complete Power BI demo that I've done on this. I just wanted to kind of make you aware of this particular data set, what's out there, some of the things that you could do with it to really visualize the data and see what you can do within Power BI. I'll put the link to the data set in the YouTube video information and see what you can do with it and let me know.